Domscrypto, where we talk about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss your regular dose of crypto. So today I want to talk about Bitcoin and its current price. We're currently sitting at 9.4k, and we had some wicks to the upside and to the downside in the recent days. They look a lot worse when you go to the hourly chart, but when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies, swings like this happen. They are going to happen, so I would rather look at the daily to see where we are at during a particular time frame. So as you can see, we're resting on 9.4k level, from which in the past we've seen both support and resistance. It is clear as day. So if you scroll back down to January, we tried to go over that. We tried to break 10k, and the 10k mark is pretty significant when it comes to psychological levels. So breaking that level could mean a lot more upside will happen. However, we've tried to break that level multiple times. You could say that the more times you try to break the resistance, the more likely it will happen that you break it sooner or later. We'll see. We're currently at 9.4k, as we said. Some people were calling for Bitcoin to go down to 6k now because we had this wick. I'm not sure. We'll see. If we breach the 9k and go down below 8.8, then we might be looking at further downside. But right now, I think we're in a pretty much neutral spot. As you can see, we've been kind of going on and off these levels for the past days, many days in fact. This video is brought to you in partnership with OKEX, as usual with our trading and Bitcoin price videos. These guys offer a wide range of products that you can use, including spot trading, margin trading. They also have futures and options. What are options? So options are financial derivatives that give buyers the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset, in this case Bitcoin, at an agreed upon price and date. So futures and swaps also offer leverage, but the potential losses are often open-ended. That's why I said you have to be very careful with futures and margin trading. Many option strategies allow similar leveraged profit potential, but with limited risk. So options, you can bet that the price of Bitcoin will go up in a certain time frame, or you can bet that the price will go down in a certain time frame. And that's the trade. It's pretty easy. So as we said here, if you think the price of Bitcoin will fall in 6 days, you can buy BTC put options and have the right to sell Bitcoin at the agreed price when it expires. So if this is something you're interested in, again, to trade crypto, I would recommend you do paper trading first. You get familiar with the market. It's a dangerous market. As you could see, these wicks, they were taking out leveraged people up and down within hours of each other. So trading crypto is dangerous. If you're new to the space, or if you are not experienced, and when I say experienced, you have to be very experienced, then I would just recommend, if you want to trade, if that's what you want to do, just trade spot. And you can also trade options. But when it comes to margin trading, stay away until you have a certain experience level. And even then, I mean, those wicks take out people very easily. So we're currently sitting at 9.4k, as we said, and it's also the weekend. So we've seen that the weekends have brought a lot of volatility in the past weeks. We'll see what happens in the next 2 days, but I would not expect a lot more downside. I'm currently sitting flat in my positions on Bitcoin. I'm not trading Bitcoin at the moment. I'm just looking to see what happens. As I said, the 10k level is very significant. I don't want to trade at the resistance. So if we're going to give it another go and break it, find support, I'll enter positions then. But until then, I'm sitting flat. I'm looking at this market, and I'm also investing money in altcoins. And if you follow me on Twitter, you would know that some of our altcoin positions are literally flying. So if you're not following me there, you really should, because we've given many entry points which were perfect if you look at the time frames. So if you want to try options, have a look at OKEX. What are your positions? Are you currently trading Bitcoin? Do you think the price will go up or down? Are we going to challenge 10K one more time? Let me know in the comment section below. This is it for today. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next.